Hello everybody and welcome back. So today I have two beautiful DIYs to share with you. As always, they're simple, affordable, and easy to remake. So if you're interested in seeing what I've created today, just keep on watching. For this first DIY, I'm going to be starting off with these clear plastic shower rings from Dollar Tree, and I'm just going to be hot gluing them together in sets of 2. Next, I'll be taking this self-adhesive bling strip and cutting it into sections of 2 and applying it to the center of the rings. Now I'm just going to hot glue the rings together, and I'm going to do a group of 3 as well as one set of 2. Guys, I'm going to be using these circle foam board cutouts that I made from a previous project, and I'm just going to be hot gluing 2 of them together. Right here, I'm just going to be using more of that diamond bling ribbon, and I'm going to put that all the way around the foam board. For the base of our project, I'll be using this mirror from Dollar Tree. And so here's what they look like, guys. What do you think? For this next DIY, I'm going to be using this candy bowl from Dollar Tree as well as this clear bling rope from Amazon, and I'm just going to glue them to the edges of the bowl. I'll be using this iridescent bling ribbon from Amazon. I'm going to be adding a layer of this blue-black ribbon from Dollar Tree, and then I'm going to go in with that same iridescent ribbon that I used earlier. I'm just going to be adding a push light from Dollar Tree, and yeah, here's what it looks like, guys. What do you think? Guys, that's all that I have for you today. If you've enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel as well as hitting the notification bell and giving this video a huge thumbs up. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys.